What's going on, everybody? Excuse me, I'm kind of squinting. The sun's right in my face. I'm in my car right now at the Family Stores Salvation Army, and we're going to go inside. We're going to hit up a couple other stores, so don't go anywhere. Stay right there, and let's go. Come along for the ride. Alright guys, so here we are at the Salvation Army. We're going to go inside. Today I think is half off day, color day, something like that. It's Wednesday, so it's half off at Community Aid, it's half off at the Salvation Army. I don't think that the Goodwill does that. There's two Goodwills out here in this area. One's in Mechanicsburg, the other one is like Lemoyne or something like that. So we're gonna try to hit up all four stores today. I'm looking for some Halloween decor for my house also. One of our blow-ups died. They're not like blow molds, these new ones where you just plug them in and they blow up automatically. They have a little fan in them. They don't work very well. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button, and hit the notification bell icon down below to get notified when I post new content. So let's go in. All right, guys, so this is what we have so far. I'm gonna pass on this one. It is a linen blazer. The pink tags are not half off. It is a Rod and Gun, which is not a bad brand. It's not a great brand either, but if it was $5, I'd get it. I might be able to turn it into $50, but I probably still can get $50 for it. It's in really good condition. Maybe I'll throw it in my cart and I'll think about it so I don't leave with nothing, right? But then we got a couple hats. I think Henschel is how you pronounce it. It's a Henschel cabbie. It's a suede, leather suede. It's $6. I think I can get about 25 for that. And then we have a wind stopper. I think I talked about this before. They do a lot of golf stuff and a lot of, it's a wind stopper. But it is only going to be $4. Pink is not half off, and I should be able to get at least 25 for this. Alright guys, it's getting later, and I went through the women's coats, and we found an Eastern Mountain Sports, $4.99 half off. That's only going to be $3. Here's a good brand to look out for, obviously. Here's an Eddie Bauer. It's a B9 parka. Anytime you find them in parka. It's not zipped up, but there it is. It's got the fur on the hood and everything. And then check this out, guys. Burberry, and it's a long. It's got some moth trails on it, but I'm still gonna pick it up for $14, which is not a bad price. These are made in Italy. These two scarves. I'm not sure what the material is on those. I may put a few items back, like the hats. I may just concentrate on the jackets. The scarves are made in Italy, but there's not really a brand on them. I think they're vintage. And then check this out. This is going to be $2.50. This is a Pierre Cardin made in USA tracksuit jacket. Just really cool. I believe that's called velour. And we're out. All right, guys, so the total was $54, and I think that was actually tremendous, considering that for the Burberry we should get 100, and the other coat will get 100 for too. It's going to need wash. There's a lot of feathers inside of the one pocket, which I may be able to just use like a vacuum or maybe even like a lint brush or whatever, just to get those feathers out. But be on the lookout for those Eddie Bauer, those goose downs. I know where it's going once I sell it. It's either going overseas or it's going to New York, because people still dress like that in New York, like 90s style, Biggie, Tupac, like big puffy jackets and Timberlands. Like, that's still the style in certain areas in the city. So every single time they always go to New York. I'll keep you guys updated, and if you guys disagree with me where that jacket is going to sell, comment down below. All right, guys, so jackpot. I'm gonna, I think. Now, I seen these here last time and they're dirty. I don't like to clean shoes, guys. I just don't have time to really do it anymore, so I don't do it. Check these out. These are vintage. They're from '98. There's that one, and then there's this one. It's a little open. This one's kind of open on the bottom. I'm gonna go look and see if there's more of these. These are like $50 a piece. They want. They want $2.99 a piece on those, so super score right there. And then I'm gonna look this tie up. It is brand new with tags. Contessima for Christopher's. I'm not really sure what that brand is, but I'll have to look it up. Alright guys, so the first scoop is going to be this Happy Halloween. It's going to be $4. This is actually a $40 shirt. I was actually quite amazed. It's actually brand new. It doesn't even look like it was even worn. It's just a really, I guess it's just one of them things where maybe it's just, they didn't make them that much, or it's from 2021, so it's a new shirt, but I don't know. I'm not asking any questions. I'm just going to grab it for $4. Alright guys, so I think we're done here. I don't know. I think I'm going to pick this Roper up because it's brand new with tags. It's going to be $10. I am spending a little bit kind of out of my comfort zone, but it's okay. And this is a brand called, it's Patrick Wingett 2000 Never. Now the boots sell for a lot. They want 10 for these and they're brand new with tags. I think I might take a chance. There's one pair on Poshmark used for $60. So I'm definitely going to pick them up, and just that. So that's it. That's all we're getting. All right, guys. So we're going to try that brand. I just have this really crazy, strange feeling that those pants are going to sell for a lot. Like, I'm going to go on their website. I'm going to dig a little bit deeper before I list them. I'm sure they have a website. The boots are like ridiculous. I don't think I've seen any pair under 150 or even under 100. Like, and I think they were all used. So we'll see what happens. Well, you know, sometimes you got to try new things, guys. If you got to spend $10 to learn a lesson, some things may sit forever, but I have this really crazy feeling that they're going to sell super fast. All right, guys, so we just dropped our mail off over at, I think it's called the UPS store. Is that what it's called? Yeah, UPS store. They take all your mail. They don't scan it in. You got to wait for the USPS carrier to get there and scan them in, or however that works. But yeah, but anyway, we're at the Goodwill. We're gonna go in and find some good stuff. You know the deal, guys. I think so far we're doing okay. I spent a total of like $40, maybe $50. We are gonna make our money back just on those Christmas Story, whatever they are, the Santa Claus figures. Those are cool. They're from the 90s, like 96 or something like that, so they're gonna do well. All right, so normally I wouldn't do this, but this is, if you guys can see that label down there, it is a Hugo Boss. This is an Einstein Beta. I don't know about the green color, but it's a 3-button. Green is on sale. Green is 50% off, so Wednesday through Monday. $2 on Tuesday. Man, I wish it was Tuesday, but it's going to be half off of 15, so this is only going to be $7, $7.50 or whatever. So it's probably worth it. This is like a $100 suit. I looked in the trousers. There's no stains. We're good to go. I'll look over it, make sure there's no holes, and yeah, $7 into 100, guys. I'll buy that for $1. And there's another one. There's a Tom James. This one is a Philo Amana. I know this is a good jacket. I already know. I've sold these before. Really nice. That's called a peak lapel when it goes up like that. Yeah, and it's functional cuffs, which is called, this is a bespoke jacket. This is made to fit someone. So somebody paid a lot of money for this. I'm gonna look and see if the pants are here, which they probably are. I don't know. I'm kind of conflicted with these two. These are 12 something. These are actually made in Harrisburg. These are like a tweed overcoat. There's 2 of them, but having accidents back there, huh? This one's actually really long. Look how long that one is. That one's probably, I mean, I could probably get like $60 or something for them. I mean, they're tweed. It's winter. Just look at that. And that's like a barley corn, something like that. Alright guys, remember I told you about that Gore Windstopper? This one is Cabela's. If it was a better brand, if you look at the label, it says Gore Windstopper. So this is a Gore-Tex. It's a waterproof jacket. It's a fleece. It's in great condition, but it's priced too high. They want $17.99. If it was half off, I would get it because, you know, then it would only be $9, and I'm sure I can get 50 for it, but I'm not going to spend 17 to get 50. I think it would sell really fast, and I would get my money back quick, but All right, guys, so it is getting late. It's getting time for me to go back because I have somebody to meet up with today. Check out this LL Bean. It was in women's. This is a men's. It's made in USA. It's 100% wool, and it's really, really cool. It's just definitely dope. I'll make sure it doesn't have any holes or stains, and I am going to pick this up. It's going to be a little pricey. It's going to be $8, but it shouldn't be. It should actually do very well. Being that it's wool, it's winter. As long as the zipper works, and it's definitely old. It's probably from the 80s or 90s. So, and vintage sells.